It's time for semi-final number one of LPL 2020, the Colombo Kings against the Gaul Gladiators. Let's build our fantasy team on My 11 Circle Fantasy Pick on ESPN Cricinfo. I'm Ronu Kapoor and Russell Arnold is all set to join me. Right, let's go to our pro tip now. This is very interesting. It says that the Colombo Kings have their injury concerns ahead of this big semi. Angelo Matthews, their skipper, as well as their top scorer Laurie Evans, might well be struggling with injuries. So that could potentially even out any advantage they have over the Gladiators. On the other hand, the Gaul Gladiators have found form at, you think, just the right time. They won 2 of their last 3 games. Our pro tip, Russ, therefore suggests that we must go even Stevens and pick 5 players from each team and not get carried away by where they ended on the points table. What do you make of that?
Well, yeah, the points table doesn't really matter. It's semi-final time and big players do stand up at that stage. There are lots of good performers on both sides. So rather than where they are, you're all about being selfish here. You want your points. So get those who are most likely to accumulate those points for you.
Yep, absolutely. We need to get the guys in form to get us the points. Let's just hope for a good game of cricket. Let's go to our team. Before that, on player availability, like we did say, that both Laurie Evans and Angelo Matthews from the Colombo Kings are struggling with injuries and look like doubtful starters ahead of this one. Gladiators will continue to miss out on Shahid Afridi's services, and make sure you stay tuned with news closer to the toss for just final updates on player availability. Going to our team, before that, a quick reminder on the My 11 Circle Fantasy app, 100 credits for every user to build their fantasy team. 4 categories of players to choose from: batsmen, bowlers, wicket keepers, and all-rounders. You can pick a maximum of 7 players from one team in any given contest. Every player's individual credit value is listed on the app, and 4 substitute options will come your way from us as well. So stay tuned for that. Let's go to our captain choice, and we're going to Danushka Gunatilaka yet again ahead of a big semi-final. No points for guessing that it's going to be Gunatilaka as our top pick and our captain choice. He's leaps and bounds ahead of all the other batsmen in the league, scoring 462 runs in 8 games, averaging 77 and a strike rate of nearly 145, 450 plus scores, and his lowest score continues to be that 30 not out. So his consistency has been remarkable. Laurie Evans is going to be our vice captain. Now, he's been the only centurion in LPL 2020. We do know there is a question mark on availability, but if he does come in, then Laurie Evans is a very strong vice captain option. Sensational form with the bat, second leading run scorer in the tournament, averaging over 57, strike rate of 170, and the most number of sixes hit in this year's LPL so far. Danushka Gunatilaka and Laurie Evans as captain and vice captain. In our top picks, Andre Russell features. You can't rule out a big player in a big semi-final. And of course, one of the premier players, not just in the league, but in the format. We know he can blow hot and cold, but if he decides that this is his stage and he goes big, you don't want to miss out on all those points. Mohammad Amir is there as well. The sensation from Pakistan is LPL 2020's most prolific pacer, 10 wickets in 8 games, and the only bowler to pick up a 5-wicket haul. Qais Ahmad is there as well, the 20-year-old youngster. He's certainly turned heads this tournament with his consistent wicket-taking ability. He's managed to pick up 11 wickets in 8 games, striking at 14.1. He also got a very handy match-winning 22 ball 50 not out in the last league game while chasing. So he can get you points with bat and ball now, can Qais Ahmad. Danushka Gunatilaka is our captain choice. Laurie Evans is vice captain. Andre Russell, Mohammad Amir, Qais Ahmad in our top picks. Russell, do you like the sound of those?
Top 5, all right. And they've been performing really well. Qais Ahmad, well, that was not a handy 50. That was an outstanding 50. I don't think he's ever got anywhere near that. And some of those strikes were really incredible when we were giving them no chance. So really good from Qais Ahmad, and including his bowling. He was picking himself as a bowler, but now with his batting, he's someone who's really got to be in there. So you really can't look beyond the top 5. But as you mentioned, just keep an eye out for Laurie Evans' fitness.
Absolutely. Let's go to some differential picks. You need to pack your team with some Sri Lankan players too. Isuru Udana is going to feature. He might have had an up and down sort of tournament, but the 32-year-old is someone who will be crucial to his side in a knockout game. We're backing him to deliver, even though it's been a mediocre season so far, picking up just 5 wickets in 7 games. Bhanuka Rajapaksha is there, the stand-in skipper for the Gladiators. Started the season poorly, but we know that he's now starting to find his form towards the business end of the tournament. Last 2 scores being a nice 37 not out of 24 and then an 18 ball 31. So Isuru Udana and Bhanuka Rajapaksa among our differential picks. In our full team, we've got Dinesh Chandimal there, we've got Azam Khan, Laurie Evans, Bhanuka Rajapaksa. Evans, of course, is our vice captain recommendation. Danushka Gunatilaka as our captain choice. Andre Russell, Isuru Udana, and you've also got Dhananjay Lakshan there. Kais Ahmed, Dushmant Chamira, and Mohammad Amir. Substitutes bench includes Daniel Bell Drummond, Ashan Priyanjan, Ehsan Ali, and Lakshan Sandakan. Now, we're giving an alternate scenario, Russell, that if Laurie Evans is not fit, then maybe Ashan Priyanjan can replace him. But you've got to help us with who we can make our vice captain. Would it be Chandimal? Would it be somebody else? And I know you're a Sandakan fan. Do you want him into this team as well?
I was thinking about that, so you beat me to it, Ronak. Yeah, so if Laurie Evans, who was our vice captain, misses out, we'll probably pick one of those who were in that top 5 of ours. So Mohammad Amir, Kais Ahmed, and Andre Russell were there. I'd like to go with Andre Russell because it's a semi-final. These are the types of games that these type of players wait for. So if Laurie Evans is there, I would stick with him because he will bat and he will get a good bat. But otherwise, Laurie Evans is replaced by Andre Russell as vice captain. And players that I would think of bringing in are on the substitute list for me: Ashan Priyanjan, Ehsan Ali, and Lakshan Sandakan. So if we are looking to replace someone, Dhananjay Lakshan is one I would think of. Azam Khan, yes, he's been good, but my gut says look at someone else there, maybe even Ehsan Ali right at the top. So these are the few changes that I would look at, but otherwise it seems a pretty solid team which is going to give you plenty points.
All right, Russell, perfect. Thank you very much. Go with your gut has been Russell Arnold's team through the course of his LPL. I would go with Russell's gut for this semi-final. He's been right on the money. So keep an eye out on some of those players. Try and get Sandakan and Priyanjan into your team. Keep an eye out for Laurie Evans' fitness. Otherwise, Russ has told you maybe Andre Russell would be a good vice-captain choice. Let's hope for a good game with lots of points for you. And of course, we'll continue helping you with some pro tips and expert opinion and insight and data for the second semi and the final of LPL 2020 on My 11 Circle Fantasy Pick on ESPN Cricket 4.